Did you know that chewing gum can actually help you concentrate more? Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we'll explore the science behind it and uncover the benefits of chewing gum for focus and concentration. To understand how chewing gum affects our concentration, we first need to look at the brain. Our brain is an incredible organ responsible for processing information and making decisions. But sometimes, we find it challenging to stay focused and alert, especially during long tasks or when trying to study. Studies have shown that certain activities can stimulate our brain and improve our ability to concentrate. One such activity is chewing gum. When we chew gum, it activates several regions of our brain, including the hippocampus, prefrontal cortex, and the cerebellum. But how does chewing gum lead to better concentration? Well, it's believed that the act of chewing increases blood flow to these brain regions, supplying them with more oxygen and nutrients. This enhanced blood flow can promote alertness and improve cognitive performance. Multiple research studies have examined the effects of chewing gum on concentration, and the results are quite intriguing. One study conducted at Cardiff University found that participants who chewed gum while performing memory tasks had increased accuracy and faster reaction times compared to those who didn't chew gum. Chewing gum can also be particularly beneficial in learning environments, such as classrooms or libraries. It can help students stay focused and engaged during lectures or while studying for exams. Think of it as a form of sensory stimulation. Chewing gum provides a mild level of stimulation to our senses, keeping our brains occupied and preventing us from easily getting distracted. Now, it's important to note that not all gums are created equal. When choosing a gum for concentration, it's best to opt for sugar-free options. Sugar-free gums are often sweetened with artificial sweeteners like xylitol or sorbitol, which are less likely to cause tooth decay and other health issues. Remember, moderation is key. Chewing gum can be helpful in improving concentration, but it shouldn't be relied upon as a magic solution. It's just one tool in your concentration toolkit. So, the next time you need an extra boost of focus, why not try chewing a piece of gum? It might just make a noticeable difference.